Top 5 Essential Skills for Successful Entrepreneurs. Welcome to Take a 5. If you're aspiring to become a successful entrepreneur, you'll need to develop a range of essential skills. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 skills that can empower you to thrive in the business world. Let's get started. Skill number 1, vision and strategic thinking. Successful entrepreneurs have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and can develop strategic plans to bring their vision to life. They possess the ability to identify opportunities, set goals, and make informed decisions that align with their long-term vision. Skill number 2, adaptability and resilience. Entrepreneurs face numerous challenges and uncertainties. Being adaptable allows you to navigate changing circumstances, embrace new technologies, and adjust your strategies. Resilience is equally important. It enables you to bounce back from failures, learn from setbacks, and persevere in the face of adversity. Skill number 3, leadership and team building. Entrepreneurs need to inspire and motivate their teams to work towards a common goal. Effective leadership involves setting a positive example, providing guidance, and fostering a collaborative and supportive work environment. Building a strong team with complementary skills is vital for success. Skill number 4, communication and networking. Entrepreneurs must possess excellent communication skills to convey their ideas, negotiate deals, and build relationships with clients, partners, and investors. Networking is key to expanding your professional connections, gaining valuable insights, and exploring new opportunities. Skill number 5, problem solving and innovation. Entrepreneurs encounter complex problems on their entrepreneurial journey. The ability to analyze situations, think critically, and find innovative solutions is crucial. Embracing creativity and being open to new ideas can set you apart from the competition. And there you have it, the top 5 essential skills for successful entrepreneurs. Developing these skills takes time and dedication, but with passion and perseverance, you can cultivate them and thrive in the world of entrepreneurship. Remember, every entrepreneur's journey is unique, so embrace your strengths and continue learning along the way. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Take a 5 Feet for more valuable insights and quick tips on various subjects. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Keep hustling and building your entrepreneurial dreams.